हेलो ऑल, तो मैं ले आई हूँ आप सबके लिए एक मिस्ट्री बैग और आज हम इस बैग के थ्रू सीखेंगे इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग। अब द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस हाउ। तो मैंने कुछ रैंडम चीज़ें इसमें कलेक्ट की हैं जिनको मैं एक एक करके बाहर निकालूंगी एंड आई विल ट्राई टू स्पीक 1 or 2 sentences on it so that my thinking in English will be converted into sentences and a sort of English conversation. And of course I know it, लेकिन अगर ये आप दूसरों के साथ खेलेंगे तो आपको नहीं पता होगा कि what is there in it. Try to be random, try to be natural. अगर आप दूसरों पे ट्राई करेंगे तो वो naturally ही करेंगे और naturally ही आएगा भी. लेकिन if you are using this method for your own self, तो आप ज़्यादा प्रिपेयर ना करें उन चीज़ों को जो आपने बैग्स में कलेक्ट की हैं. So here we go. The first, what I tend to get is this box. I have my specs or spectacles in it. I tend to use them while reading as I have a problem in reading minute prints. Next article. I have a spoon. Okay. The spoon, it is of stainless steel. I have my curries, dals and soups with them. It creates little mass and is very good when it comes to hygiene. Then I have is, okay, this is the big article, that is diary. And I take my important notes in the diary. I sometimes keep my addresses and important phone numbers also in it. Though nowadays mobiles are all more useful when it comes to take your addresses and mobile numbers. Then the next article I have is scissors. Okay, so this pair of scissors, you can cut cloth, pepper, and sometimes you can also cut your hand or finger with it. So use them with care. Then the next article I have is keys. It is the last one. The keys, I think there is a key to every lock and the locks are of no use if you don't have keys to them. तो यहाँ ख़त्म होता है मेरा mystery bag method, and do believe me, these things work. ये methods, ये तरीके, ये process कुछ ना कुछ work करते हैं और आपकी English बेहतर बनाते हैं. Start today, start now.